Most Ubuntu servers are installed with the default SSH settings. In just a few minutes, I will show you 4 simple changes that can make your SSH server much more secure. Today we will disable root login, disable password authentication, change the default SSH port, and configure the firewall. Let's start by opening the SSH configuration file. First, disable direct root login. Hackers almost always try the root account first. Next, disable password authentication. Make sure SSH authentication already works before doing this. Finally, let's change the default SSH port. Save the file. The last step is updating the firewall. Always allow the new SSH port before removing port 22, otherwise you could lose access to your server. Before closing your current SSH session, open another terminal and confirm that you can connect using port 2222. Connection refused. It still doesn't work. If you are using Ubuntu 26.04, there is one more thing you need to change. Ubuntu 26.04 uses system.socket activation by default. That means changing only SSH config isn't enough. Let's change the SSH socket configuration too. Now let's try again. Perfect, the new SSH port is working. Your Ubuntu SSH server is much more secure. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.